Hi, I'm Bonita here from Bonita's Kitchen. Today I'm excited to share with you our review on this Peak 8 Premium Long-Lasting Non-Stick Frying Pan and Dutch Oven with an octagonal design. First, I will share with you the packaging this beautiful cookware set will come in. Let me just show you the packaging that the Peak 8 pots cookware will come in. Beautiful black box and closed in with wrapping. Now I'm going to open it, show you what it looks like on the inside. So I'm just going to open the plastic, pull that down, and then open up this box. So then inside it comes in a snug little packaging as per most of our products, and it comes in a swag bag which has got a string on it, and I'll show you that. So I'm just going to take this styrofoam away, and just look, the lid is separate from the pot and it got some instructions here. This is the outer, and the pot got the same sort of a drawstring bag, and this is your Dutch oven. Beautiful. Next you got your non-stick frying pan with your octagonal style lid and a tool to install your ergonomic heat resistant handle, and of course it seals in the freshness. And then you got a pamphlet with a thank you note and also a 3-year warranty you would apply online, and show you some instructions about your pan. Now I'm going to show you 3 tasty meals we cooked in this non-stick cookware. First, I'm making a delicious full chicken on the stove top, seasoned and with onions in the pot, sealed with the lid. Also, I flipped it over and then let it simmer for a bit, added in some delicious root vegetables and put the lid back down. Now just look at this delicious meal. Then I'm turning it into a delicious boiler of chicken soup, adding in some salt beef, some broth, and the chicken carcass. Stir it around, season it up, and then after, take the carcass out with all of that deliciousness in the bowl, and then put in the vegetables. Stir it up, and voila, you got yourself a delicious boiler of soup. All in one meal, really, with the chicken. Off now to the frying pan. I'm going to fry some delicious pan-fried cod with a drizzle of olive oil and some butter. Then, rolled in flour and seasonings, let it fry until it becomes nice and golden brown on one side. Just listen to this sound of the cod frying. Flip it with your wooden spatulas or with a silicone spatula so you don't scratch your beautiful pan. Topped with some lemon and fresh vegetables. Oh my, can you see yourself owning these amazing octagonal design cookware set with an airtight lid? Plus, it's easy cleanup. All you need is dish soap, warm water, and a soft cloth, and it will come spotless. Now, how good is that? Peak 8 non-stick cookware will be launched this year, October 2021, on the Indiegogo platform. And I will share with you 2 links to this newly released amazing cookware set. And those 2 links I'm going to share with you in under this video, to their website and to the Indiegogo platform. On behalf of myself, Bonita, and our team here at Bonita's Kitchen, we are excited to continue using our Peak 8 cookware set in future shows. And I'm giving it a 2 thumbs up. So, enjoy.